Welcome to Asimcode. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to check whether a file exists without using a try for exception. And we are going to use a pathlib module for Python 3 and above. First, I'm going to import from pathlib, import path, and then I'm going to save into a variable file and using a path. And here you can pass in the path to your file, such as your file path, user my file, like this. I'm just gonna use the current directory, so I will remove the directory name and just give a path of some file, for example hello.py. And now we can check that our file exists or not before opening, or anything else you want to do with the file. If file and its use function is file, we are checking if this is a file whose path we set over here in the path, and then you can perform any operation or just print a message yes or true. We can also check the directory same way. If you want to check if the path is belong to a directory, we can do that too. To check for the directory, we can do the same. I will just name it a directory and give it a path to our directory, path to directory. And after getting this one, we can check if it's a directory. If I need to be on next line, if directory is directory, now we are going to use is directory function, and there's R missing over here. We can print anything that we want or perform some operation. Print directory. So this is a simple script to check the file exists without using try exception block. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Asimcode. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.